What if I told you that thousands of jobs in Canada are sitting vacant right now, while millions of people around the world are desperately searching for work? So if you've been dreaming about moving to Canada, or simply finding a new career opportunity abroad, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a job in Canada fast. Make sure you stay until the end because I'll share one powerful trick that many successful immigrants use to get noticed by Canadian employers. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand where the jobs are. The first mistake many people make is applying randomly. Canada is a massive country, and hiring needs vary depending on location and industry. Instead of applying everywhere, focus on sectors experiencing labor shortages. Some of the most in-demand industries include healthcare, skilled trades, transportation, construction, hospitality, agriculture, information technology, engineering, customer service, education. Employers who cannot find enough workers are often more willing to interview foreign candidates and support immigration pathways. This is why targeting the right industries is often more important than sending hundreds of applications. Step 2. Build a Canadian-style resume. Your resume is your marketing document. Many qualified candidates get rejected before an employer even sees their experience because their resume doesn't match Canadian standards. A Canadian resume should typically be clear and easy to read, focus on accomplishments, not just responsibilities, avoid unnecessary personal information, and be tailored to the specific job. For example, managed inventory for a retail store and reduce stock shortages by 20. That's much stronger than simply saying, managed inventory. Step 3. Use the best Canadian job websites. Now let's talk about where to find jobs. Many people only use one job board and wonder why they're not getting results. Instead, use multiple platforms. Job Bank Canada, LinkedIn, Indeed, Canada, Workopolis, Monster, Canada Company career pages. Here's a strategy that works. Spend 20 minutes daily searching new job postings. Apply within the first 24 to 48 hours whenever possible. Why? Because employers often review early applications first. Step 4. Optimize your LinkedIn profile. Many Canadian recruiters search LinkedIn before contacting candidates. Your LinkedIn profile should work like an online resume. Use a professional photo. Create a headline that highlights your profession. Customer service professional. Administrative specialist. Open to opportunities in Canada. Include those keywords related to your field. Why? Because recruiters search using keywords. If your profile contains the exact skills they're searching for, your chances of appearing in search results increase significantly. Think of LinkedIn as a search engine. The better optimized your profile is, the easier it becomes for recruiters to find you. Step 5. Network like your future depends on it. Because honestly, it might. Studies consistently show that many jobs are filled through referrals and networking. This doesn't mean asking strangers for jobs. It means building professional relationships. Join LinkedIn groups. Connect with professionals in your industry. Attend virtual networking events. Participate in online discussions. Ask thoughtful questions. Share industry insights. Send a message saying, "Hi, I noticed you're working in Canada's tech sector. I'd love to learn more about your experience and any advice you might have for someone pursuing opportunities in the industry." People are much more likely to respond. Relationships often lead to opportunities. Step 6. Focus on employers. Open to international talent. One of the fastest ways to get a job in Canada is targeting employers already familiar with hiring foreign workers. These employers understand work permits, immigration processes, and international recruitment. Research companies that have previously hired international candidates. Look for phrases such as, international applicants welcome, visa sponsorship available, LMIA support available, foreign workers encouraged to apply. This can save you enormous amounts of time because you're focusing on employers already open to hiring talent from abroad. Bonus tip. The strategy most applicants ignore. Here's the secret. Don't just apply. Follow up. After submitting an application, connect with recruiters or hiring managers on LinkedIn when appropriate. Send a brief professional message expressing your interest. A polite follow-up can help you stand out in a crowded applicant pool. Sometimes the difference between getting noticed and getting ignored is simply taking one extra step. Getting a job in Canada fast isn't about luck, it's about strategy. If you consistently follow these steps, you'll dramatically improve your chances of landing a Canadian job opportunity and moving one step closer to your dream of living and working in Canada. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more guides on jobs abroad, immigration opportunities, and building a successful international career. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.